For joy news for gradually more expose mo ho. More ya gu mo ho ani mo ase. Mo hwe ba na bi o mako create dia to mo page. Na no na mo
ofui compare bi ko da na ba na bi na o ga ba na bi ni wana da so nye dondomani mama na da ba na no so. Enyo na ni DC for air from Galamsey concession say you know. Nye dondomani mama na DC ni MC for mo from Galamsey no. Na ka wana ke fa no ko so eto so. Eke wana ka joy news for publishing for komu ko fara na ku fara na meto so na mo na asama bodam. At least you tram Google social media na mo start to about 2020 2024 no. Era mo ma se crazy gina ma adwene mo. Joy news publishing say John Domani mama ne Galamsey pania no. Ena mo this you tram ma adwene bi mo adwene nye. Ne bi mu enam se mo illiteracy wo ma adwene mu ntino. Enam ko mo ko publishing fake picture mo dey euro 2472 so say gala ayi joining for na ana producer ade no. Ena joining dim Rebecca say fake. Say Galamsey no e John Domani mama administration dia e otumfo meboa. Say Galamsey no e John Domani mama administration 2025 video otumfo picture na ko publish meboa. E ka join news on publishing na ku for picture meboa. Munti kromo na TV3 media general TV3 for publishing fake news. Munti kromo na ebo anadu 8:45 amotra anadu TV station e hwe Kevin Taylor o twantro e mo magimigim won. Ana mo adwenya NDC F00ls social media mo adwenya o e ka ho picture na ko fa to so Amanfi Central Joanna Jane Amanfi Central na se ma mo na ba so so Galamsey concession Joanna Jane Amanfi Central mo na ba so Galamsey concession turn on Payoso Poku or whatever he is called on to Galamsey MC turn on off on to Galamsey Chamagaraba adanse kofom otu Galamsey yami away not yami nkabiem away on she pushe otu Galamsey na ka picture no fa John Domani mama picture na to so no na nkonko fa me picture na to so mo yana mo adwenya some of them say TV3 publishing fake news so and no dey mo ye okay say TV3 publishing fake news na or cancer fun kwasasam e dey fact ayi na na kufa do ho dia and dey na mo nwan dey na mo go hire say na join news so publish say Galamsey ma stop no the John Domani mama picture to so e go me fa me kwa me da kwa me tia no no o be fa me picture nkan to so na go fa one picture nkan to so e dey John Domani mama picture no so to so na go fa one picture mo nya Nkwasiafuo na de ne mo be no social media ha no mo be dwane wana asa NDC form ka so bi suro mo social media ha mo nya propaganda ni nsamfo ne Nkwasiafuo na mo be hu ate se Galamsey no e koso a e di ngofo nya ne de ne ma ho atare de be se euro 2472 nyan ada na kufa ro penso na Galamsey no koso no na mo de kufa ro picture na de na ndia mo ko fa euro 2472 picture na meye ada na kufa ro penso na Galamsey e koso no ada na mo fa euro 24 picture meto ne mo kufa ro picture na John Domani mama ba na se Galamsey no atoburum anu ya den ne kan o bi join news the picture to join news papa ofui kana kakada Johnson ko pema bi koda mo politics no mu wura mu da ba ya
abusia mo yan hwe video da me suro bra na ewi a ye be de nkomo yan komra
obi antaka wuntumi o eye NPP fo His Excellency Nana Banko Ekufo de nim se Galamsey starting ne na mmom de obi ekwan efre Galamsey yes e ma ye say nsase e ma ye say nsu eye NPP aban ye twemu 2000 from 2017 to 2024 eye mo e na budi se adwuma no.
A few moments later.
Galamsey rather seriously. Let's see how we can solve that problem. Yes. Because this is a clear indication of some of the effects of Galamsey.
Far from being tackled, Galamsey is now so widespread. Miners are moving onto the river itself. Strange new boats are appearing that can suck up silt from the riverbed, sidestepping the need to dig pits along the river banks. But the constant churning has turned once pristine waters murky brown. The shorelines are scarred, cocoa plantations crushed by the heavy machinery that is dragged across them.
This is a kind of distraction that we...
Alright, Ebusia, Otrofo de dance near den, Ewa Bochi, where the dance in our higher. 2010, Al Jazeera reporter, Ayanas Amiria Anas Eyeno. and I will share, you know. That time, not president or Ghana, His Excellency the former president, the late Professor John Ivans-Fifi at Hamels, not Ghana man penny. Some when Galamsey starts here, Jint into the man, Ghana and Sio Nana say. Ghana and Sio no 2010 and that John I can't say Ivans-Fifi at Hamels. So girl. So now when Michelle wow, that I'm now pants, what's your pants now in the Namtino? Now you are collar, you don't even know. You don't even know what was going on in this country during that time. So this is the real fact to let you know, say, Galamsey, I sense you know, started under your so-called useless NDC government. Yes, useless NDC government. 2010, 2009, 2011. In fact, in 2016, NDC gave up on the fight against Galamsey. Yes, this is it. This is it. The minister in charge of lands gave up on the fight against Galamsey 2016. So you this girl, if you don't keep quiet where you are, yes, I know also are. But you do not.
I make a sort of party. Muntimi. Mutumi na man for no de mam. Mo by ninety Americans are say. Munya munyomeyi. At the rate my no party no ebe hama train na modie ne beye so fast modie ne beye ntem na beye mo sesini me kan kire mo bia na da ne ho se o yesi afufufu ma na ese na da bi ewiase no sisi anipa aba mo dream dem tete adwen no enya adwuma ne o. Politics has taken a new dimension. New generation of people and aba are edging new enti munya munioma yehwe mini constituency chairman enenam for the past 4 months a constituency chairman afre CEOs afre ministers of states omoye ne colleagues omoye ne nkrofo na oni omo nenam for 4 months obi ani ho awafa ne call baako omo nyino bi amfa ne call. For 4 months, a whole constituency chairman, every CEO, every minister, every appointee be a baby. 4 months, if you are not paying information, a constituency chairman, every for 4 months, now on farm a call. Maybe so. Now, a constituency chairman, be free CEO and a minister for 4 months, now on farm a call. Next year, a branch chairman. And as a ward coordinator, and so free constituency chairman for 4 months. Now constituency chairman, so I'm branch chairman and now ward coordinator. A call la. Maybe some mubenya party structure be was your one now. I'm asking. The way a constituency chairman, every CEO, and now offer appointee be a one fan. In the name of my busy meetings. Na me be so when we need power and kaubanya clients be in a meeting. You are attending to the customer. But supplier now on my product. Emma utimijina so de ko negotiate with the customer. What's the supplier no here? Okay, see a contract wa now be bana supplier see me new product amede be mawa. Wo we be a okoka ho asem. Maza at the rate of my normal party for no NDC, man share ya mu lose by your time. As we are making the hypocrites ones, Bababeo, and I die a party, a bay, and ya no na make a man share ya see horse say. The at the rate of my say, oh, Huriban one. Some of the primaries be boom, man, ya Mubabu say, Kojo talk. Me Pamucho making more timber for the party. No, sorry, no more acting on it. Obi frewa fampone can trocheno. That is the biggest respect. Don't ignore them. You will need them to renew your power. You will need them. I don't need to tell you this. Pick their calls and talk to them. You still have a party. And in the Bemu, there are constituencies. Constituency chairman for Yinana Musu Aden. No more chairman for them. They can't even organize meetings. They can't call meetings. Some of the MPs are running. It's a big problem. Mon for pa mo be fa so. A solve problem no. President Mahama me pauto. Wa point is ni two mo fo. Na party for no, especially chairman ni other people no from omon fa. No muntie. Oma some mbeka. Ebi wo mpa na nye so mo bebi so musika. They need some informations. Asama mi kai, mommy an here wa. Mu be sumwani ewiase mo bia nya na adwen se ATS bi da ho mo bi ewiase asesa o saa na ano ho mentality na ye de to aban enye bi ne ye de to aba sisia o omo aye wo mu 2010 ye from the alpha generation omo ba be to aba 2028 and if you know how these people think mo fa ne o mani agro mo so communication mu ye se wonya bibi mani pa no kwa woni nkasa Munyai ahomaso na mo ne nkrofo nkasa ba bia wote no e appointment e ye gwemu na de mo akotena ho muntiti o mu yi enye saa mo besu afa mo ha woni amo ye wuntumi mo no saa pepepe no mo de bem me pa mo to asemi chama na siedu nketia